How to fix Instagram double tap not working. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily fix this. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Instagram and see if you're able to double tap to like posts and photos. So if I just double tap here, as you can see, I'm able to like the post. But if you're not able to do this, then in that case, you could just go ahead and first check if your app is up to date or not. You can do that by opening Store. So let's just go ahead and open Play Store and then search for Instagram here. Tap on the search bar, search for Instagram, and then hit enter. If you see an update button here instead of open, you should update the app to its latest version. The next step is to long press and hold on Instagram and then click on the eye icon to go to app info. And then you're going to have to head over to storage. Sometimes it might be causing because of the cache files, so you are going to have to clear them out. And what it will do is it will refresh the app, and then you should be able to use the double tap feature to like photos and videos. Then go to permissions, make sure all of the permissions are allowed, and then finally try to force stop the app. So if there's anything going on in the background, it will completely restrict that and then restart the app. After doing all of this, just give your phone a quick restart and your Instagram should start working normally again. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.